In this short tutorial, I will show you how to pin a tab in Safari on your iPhone. Pinning a tab can be really helpful when you want to keep a specific web page easily accessible and open it quickly whenever you need it. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open the Safari web browser. And then tap on the Tabs button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Find the tab that you'd like to pin. And then tap and hold that tab. And it will show you these options. What you want to do next is tap and select the Pin tab option. And that will pin that tab to the top of the tabs page, and you can tap on it to quickly open it. If you want to unpin any pin tab, just tap and hold it, and then simply tap on the Unpin tab option. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.